What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to change app icon size on your iPhone. So firstly, unlock your iPhone, then open the Settings app. Scroll down, then tap on Display and Brightness. Scroll to the bottom, then tap on Display Zoom and choose Zoomed or larger text depending on iOS version. Tap Done and a pop-up will appear asking to confirm. Just tap Use Zoomed and your iPhone will restart automatically. After reboot, app icons appear larger and text and interface elements are easier to read. The home screen layout adjusts automatically. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content and for more, and I'll see you on the next one.